Have you ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel? Imagine unlocking a world of creativity, connection, and even income. It's a fantastic journey, filled with opportunities to share your unique voice and passions. But like any adventure, it has its challenges. From understanding your audience to content creation. Fear not though, for every hurdle, there's a solution, a strategy waiting to be discovered. If you're ready to dive in, we're here to guide you through the process. Identifying your target audience is the first step to starting a successful YouTube channel. It's like setting up a compass for your content creation journey. You see, knowing who you're creating for goes beyond just knowing their age or location. It's about understanding their interests, their online behavior, and what drives them to click on a video. Ask yourself, what are they passionate about? What problems are they facing that your content could solve? What kind of content do they consume, and when do they usually watch it? This information is crucial because it shapes your content creation strategy. For instance, if your audience loves quick educational content, you wouldn't want to create long, drawn-out videos. Understanding your audience helps you tailor your content to their preferences, increasing the chances of your videos being watched, liked, and shared. Remember, knowing your audience is key to creating content that resonates. Once you know your audience, it's time to choose your niche. A niche is like your channel's compass, guiding your content creation and helping you stand out in the vast ocean of YouTube. It's the specific category or topic that you're passionate about and that you want your channel to be known for. Imagine if you're a food lover, you might consider food tasting, cooking, or restaurant reviews as your niche. If you're into fitness, home workouts, gym routines, or healthy meal prep could be your niche. Having a defined niche does more than just give your channel a clear identity. It helps you attract a dedicated audience, people who share your passion and are eager to see more of your content. It also makes it easier for you to create targeted, engaging videos consistently. Remember, your niche should be something you love and are knowledgeable about. It's your unique stamp on YouTube. With a niche in mind, you're ready to start creating. Content is king in the world of YouTube. This phrase rings through every corner of the digital realm, and for good reason. In a world overflowing with information, the key to standing out is creating content that is not just high quality but also engaging and enjoyable for your audience. Creating such content might seem daunting, but fear not. There are a few strategies that can help you on this journey. For starters, brainstorming can be your best friend. It's like a treasure hunt, where the treasure is that golden video idea that will resonate with your audience. Whether it's a solo brainstorming session or a collaborative effort, the process allows you to explore various angles and perspectives. Remember, there's no such thing as a bad idea in brainstorming. It's all about letting the creative juices flow. Once you've gathered your ideas, planning your content calendar is the next step. This is where you decide when and what you're going to post. A well-planned content calendar not only helps you stay organized, but it also ensures consistency. And consistency, my friend, is crucial on YouTube. It helps you build a loyal audience who knows when to expect your content and looks forward to it. Now, let's talk about originality and creativity. In the vast sea of YouTube, it's easy to get lost in the crowd. But here's the thing. You have a unique voice, a unique perspective. Use that to your advantage. Create content that's authentically you. It's okay to draw inspiration from others, but never compromise on your uniqueness. It's your originality that will set you apart. Remember, creating content is not a one-time thing. It's a continuous process, a journey of learning and growing. Each video you create is an opportunity to improve and refine your skills. So don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things, and to step out of your comfort zone. Quality content is your ticket to a growing and engaged audience. And with these strategies in your arsenal, you're well on your way to creating content that not just rules, but reigns supreme in the kingdom of YouTube. Now that you have your content, let's talk about optimizing your channel. First, your channel name is your brand's identity. It's how viewers will remember and search for you. Make it catchy, but also relevant to the content you're producing. Next, your banner is like the billboard of your channel. It's one of the first things viewers see when they visit your page, so make sure it's attractive and representative of your brand. Moving on to the About section. This is where you tell your story, what your channel is about, and what viewers can expect. Make it compelling, make it interesting, but above all, make it honest. Now let's delve into the world of SEO, or search engine optimization. This is the magic behind the scenes that makes your content discoverable. By using relevant keywords in your video descriptions, tags, and titles, you increase the chances of your videos appearing in search results. Imagine your video as a book in a library. Without the right title, description, or tags, it might end up in the wrong section, making it hard for people to find. But with the right SEO, your video will be in the right place at the right time, ready for your audience to discover and enjoy. Remember, optimization isn't just about making your channel look good. It's about making it easy for viewers to find and engage with your content. Optimizing your channel gives you a professional edge and helps viewers find you. To take your YouTube channel to the next level, consider enrolling in Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. This comprehensive course is a treasure trove of insights, designed to equip you with a deeper understanding of the mysterious YouTube algorithms, helping you navigate the tricky waters of content creation and channel optimization. Not only does it cover the basics, but it also delves into advanced strategies, from how to craft compelling content that resonates with your audience to effective monetization techniques that can transform your passion into a profitable venture. Imagine understanding the rhythm of YouTube, the ebb and flow of trend waves, the subtle nuances that can make or break a video's performance. This course illuminates these aspects with clarity and practicality. With the right knowledge and tools, your YouTube channel can become a successful venture. So why wait? Dive in and let Tube Mastery and Monetization be your guide to YouTube success. Starting a YouTube channel might seem daunting, but with the right steps, it's entirely achievable. Let's take a moment to recap the journey we've embarked on today. First, we explored how vital it is to understand your audience, their interests, and their needs. Only then can you tailor your content to resonate with them. Next, we discussed the importance of choosing a niche, a unique corner of the YouTube universe where your voice can shine. We then dove into the heart of the matter, creating quality content. Remember, authenticity and passion are key. Following that, we touched on optimizing your channel. From SEO to engaging thumbnails, every detail matters. Last but not least, we considered Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. This tool can provide invaluable insights to push your channel to the next level. So, are you ready to start your YouTube journey? The world is waiting to hear your story.